Morning everyone. Today I am going to describe one more type of letter, that is application for a job. Generally the address is given, or you can write the examination hall, date, manager or principal, the name of the company, school, organization, place, subject. Here application for the post of. Post must be clearly written. No need to change the address. Straightway write application for the post of so and so. Sir, then the different paragraphs. This is in reference to your advertisement for the post of dash in so and so newspaper dating so and so. I am a very energetic person with excellent communication skills and ready to face any challenges set forth. I am committed to working hard, and being a young person, I am eager to add knowledge to my experience. Then you can describe your own qualification, like I am having a degree in so and so from so and so university, having also done so and so from so and so university. I completed my post graduation. I am having experience of so and so years. I hope if I am selected, I assure you I will prove an asset to your organization. I look forward to meet you for a personal interview so that I can show a portfolio of my work. My resume is enclosed for your perusal. Thanking you, yours faithfully, signature and name. Then resume is must. 2 marks specially for the resume. And in 10th class, it can be 3 or 4 marks. Like name, father's name, date of birth, address, education qualification. You can write in serial number also, or you can make a table for it. In experience also, you can make a table. Other skills like knowledge of computers, soft skills, seminars or other qualifications that you have attended, contact number, references. This is the part students generally miss out. Name of the person whose reference you are giving, his post, organization and phone number. Date and place. Here, whenever you are applying for any kind of post, you must think twice. What can be the qualification? First of all, the qualifications are given. If at all the qualifications are not given, you must think what kind of qualifications that particular post requires. These particular sentences can also be used if required. Like I am good in delegating tasks and creating a good and energetic working atmosphere. I have been involved in staff recruitment, training and overall working of the organization. I am a good team player. These are common sentences that you can use. 2 exercises I am giving. You saw a post for junior engineer. The candidate must have a diploma in civil engineering with 3 years experience. Apply to manager, Vadhwa Constructions Private Limited, Sector 24, Chandigarh. Second version is apply for the post of chief chef in a 5-star hotel. You are Nikhil Neha, 257 Preet Vihar, New Delhi. Just be safe, complete the assignments and send the photographs to me. Thank you.